Families aren't fill in the blank. Every family is different. Every separation is different. We really take it each client at a time, and the provisions that you need are tailored to your situation. Of course, with family law, their circumstances are always different. They could be excited. Usually that's about starting a family. Or they come in sad, surprised, guilty, overwhelmed. They could have been cheated on by their spouse or partner. They could have been the one to cheat. There could be issues with their children as far as child custody, child support, or someone's died and they have to probate an estate. It's like a whirlwind. They're caught off guard. They don't know what to do. You really have to coach them along about how to get through the process. At the end of the process, whatever that process is for someone, I want them to come out on the other end being a better person, having a better understanding of themselves, their lives, other people, and just be in a better place, period. That's probably the overall number one thing that we try to do here, is to have people leave in a better place. You've heard the phrase like, I don't even know enough to know what to ask. I know enough to know what to ask. And so I'll put a provision in based on those answers, whereas someone else might not put a provision in, which could have made a lot of difference. The only reason why we're able to know how to address specific issues is because we've seen when things go wrong. So the experience is really important. There's a lot of issues in the LGBT community that aren't addressed by laws. I'm part of a national organization called Family Law Institute. It's a faction of the LGBT bar, national bar. There's CLEs that we go to, there's conferences every year, and just paying attention to what other people are doing across the nation and how they're handling the issues. We'll use that to better construct how we're handling issues here.
What I like about Angela is that I feel like she's similar to me, that we're here to get it done, what's the most effective way. Some attorneys overly bill that may not be as productive as possible.
We really pride ourselves on efficiency here. We really try to get the most done for someone that we can for the least amount.
We have to do research, but we're not going to go do things that we don't need to do for our own paycheck.
She never let a question kind of hang in the air and not get answered. She was real quick to get things handled, which is really helpful because that's just a really excruciating time.
You can either call us and we can talk to you over the phone, or you can come into our conference room here and do the meeting face-to-face with one of the attorneys.
Don't feel like you can go fill out the court documents on your own. Don't feel like you can go down to the courthouse and represent yourself, because it is an overwhelming type situation, and having somebody that has navigated it and is comfortable and confident in the court process has been a godsend.